Superphosphate. You've no doubt heard about that fertiliser product. Why superphosphate? It contains phosphorus, soluble form, and it contains sulphur in a soluble form in equal proportions. And for the clovers, they require phosphorus and sulphur in approximately equal proportions. So it was tailor-made for our clover and grass-based pastoral system. And so to maintain production on the farm, what we call maintenance, we need to replace those nutrients that leave the farm in the normal course of production.
Superphosphate can be used as a maintenance or a capital fertiliser. At the moment it's mainly used as a maintenance. Maintenance superphosphate is very important as we really want to maintain those phosphate and sulphur levels, so then we're not limiting pasture growth.
So when we look at your particular farm, we work out how much is produced, how much leaves the farm, what your particular soils are, what your rainfall are, and we can determine maintenance from there. But it's essentially replacing those losses that occur as a normal consequence of production, so production can be maintained. One thing to note, the question often asked is when financial conditions are tight on the farm, such as now, can you withhold your fertiliser?
Withholding fertiliser year on year is a real detriment to your pasture growth, and we do find that you have deficiencies in your soils after a while.
How fast that occurs depends on a range of factors. 1 year, perhaps 2 at the most, you'll see a significant reduction in pasture interval production, which is what we all most want to avoid.
So we really try and prioritise which paddocks, where you want the pasture growth, and we can really work together to make a plan for your farm that works with your cost structure.